Hi guys. And tonight's streaming or tonight's live is I am just reading and familiarizing the Juvenile Justice and Welfare Council of the Department of Justice or the Council Resolution number 4, the Rules and Regulation Implementing Republic Act number 9344 or the Juvenile Justice and Welfare Act of 2006. So in this video, I will be going on to rule number 4, the definition of terms. So first here is bail. So what is bail according to the Republic Act 9344 or the Juvenile Justice and Welfare? So what 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 it is all about? So first is bail. Refers to the security given for the release of the person in custody of the law, furnished by him or her, or a bondsman to guarantee his or her appearance before any court. Alright, guys, as you can see here, the, the bail refers to the security for the released person of the custody. So next is the best interest of the child. So refers it refers to the totality of circumstances and conditions and most congenial to survival, protections, and feelings of security of the child, and most encouraging to the child's physical, psychological child. So, hindi ko pa masyado maintindihan kasi malalim ito. Basta na-familiarize lang natin yung topic na to. So, best interest of the child. Basta meron daw proteksyon at seguridad sa feelings ng isang bata. Ito ang best interest of the child. Next is yung child. Refers to a person under the age of 18 years. So, when we say under 18, hindi siya aabot ng 18 years old. So, it means that 13, 17 years old and below. So, child at risk. So, child at risk refers to the children who are vulnerable to and at the risk of committing criminal offenses because of personal, family, and social circumstances such as but not limited to the following. So, first here is being abused by any person through sexual, physical, psychological, mental, economic, or any means, and the parents or guardian for the child. So those are person na ina-abuse yung mga kabataan through sex and physical and psychological, mental, and economic, or any abuse. So being exploited, including sexually or economically. Third one is being abandoned, neglect, and after diligent search and inquiry, the parent or guardian cannot be found. Coming from a dysfunctional or broken family or without a parent or guardian. Next is being out of school. Next is being a street child. Seven is being a member of a gang. Eight is living in a community with a high level of criminality or drug abuse. And lastly is living in situations of armed conflict. So those nine are under the child at risk. They are the one who is vulnerable at the risk of committing criminal offenses because of their environment or sa paligid nila. Okay, next is child in conflict with the law. So, with this, child conflict in with the law refers to the child who is alleged as accused of or adjudged as having committed an offense under Philippine laws. So they are the child na nakasuhan, alleged, or nakagawa or accused or napagbibintangan na gumawa ng isang krimen or offense under sa Philippine laws, which is, when I say offense, it is punishable in revised penal code of the Philippines. So community-based refers to the programs provided in a community setting developed for purpose of intervention and diversion. Talking, reading, focus. So next is the court. So yung court is refers to a family court or in places where there are no family courts and a regional trial court. So it means is yung hearing natin is nasa family court. So deprivation of liberty refers to any form of detention or imprisonment or to the placement of child in conflict with the law in a public or private. So dito sa deprivation of liberty, this is where your liberty is taken away from you and you are not free to live and you are under continuous supervision and control under depri- dep- deprivation of liberty. Kinukuha or nililimitahan yung next is diversion. Refers to an alternative child appropriate process of determining the responsibility and treatment of a child in conflict with the law on the basis of his or her social, cultural, economic, and psychological or educational background without resorting to formal court proceedings. Ano nga ba talaga 'to? Ba't hindi ko mai-digest ito sa isip ko? Gawin natin Tagalog sa Google. Kasi it's really hard to understand when there is no teacher quickly. That is why as a student, we need also some research how we can understand or make it easy to us to understand what are those and what it means. Tukoy sa isang alternatibong proseso na naaangkop sa bata na pagtukoy sa responsibilidad at pagtrato sa isang bata na sa kanyang panlipunan, kultural, pang-ekonomiya, psikolohikal o edukasyonal na background ng so a diversion program refers to the program of the child conflict with the required to undergo. So require
Ang bali mama,
no?
yata ko na sa iyo sa bus.
Tapos,
Grocery ko lang isakad.
tinga nagkatukot kay mama.
Dito ko halin bala. Dili lang galing sa akin para hindi mo magasta.
Ang pinalad eh.
Hindi ka na dahil sa mga sa iyo ha?
Boss,
Oo.
nga ahaw.
Wala na to sa kwarta yan. Susunod lang. Kaya ang mga bagay mo. Gusto ko lang pa nito. Nababali mo ba? Hinapit ko na sa mga mo. Sa bilis ko yata.
Sa Lunes.
Sakto na. Gusto ko ilaan sa inuman. Taken by the niya sa inyong sinigyan kanuwan.
O, yung ball ko eh.
Ay, mama ni Papa.
Trouble is my friend, no matter what the world. Di mo alam kung
Kasi ulang taon ka niyo.
kayo guro eh.
Dari yang hindi kita gusto.
No matter what you know.
Nagkakaganto ang puso ko.
Wala nga live ako, di nagkakanta-kanta.
Naturo ko. Sa puso mo. Ano ka?